Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I recently upgraded my iPad to the newest iPad Air 5th generation, and I could not be happier with it. I love that it no longer has the home button, and what this really means for me is that I get more of a screen area without having a bigger iPad. This makes this iPad even better for me for watching videos and movies on it. My previous iPad did not have the capability to support the Apple Pencil, but this one does, and I really love using it. I'm someone who really prefers handwriting things over typing them, so I really like being able to use my Apple Pencil to take notes, write emails, or now I can even use it for my own personal journaling. I'm so happy that the new iPads come with such a huge storage capacity now, since I can be somewhat of a digital hoarder. It is so lightweight, sleek, and it is just such a pleasure to hold in my hand and to use. The overall operating and use with this iPad has just been so smooth, seamless, and fast. Also notice that the speaker quality on this iPad is much better. The sound is more clear and louder, so I don't need to have it turned up as high as I used to turn up my previous iPad. I have absolutely no regrets for going for the upgrade for the Apple iPad Air 5th generation. And that's my point of view.